Greetings, land of Bitcoin. What we have happening right now is what I've been warning about. Happened a little later than I thought. But there it is, backed up by big, juicy volume. This still has another 12 hours. This is the daily candle. Still has about another 12 hours from the time I make this video. Sorry I haven't made a video for a while. There's just not a whole lot for me to talk about, really. Where were we? About 42,000 or so, ballpark here. And about 44.7, give or take. I've been talking about top layer, bottom layer cake above these lines, below these lines. Bitcoin just bounced directly off of it again. So this will probably take some time. What I'm looking for is this Friday, September 24th, is the CME Bitcoin futures close. For the first 6 months of the year, it dumped down towards that area, found the pain point, and it's not an exact science, but here, this Elon Musk dump kind of threw it out of its rhythm. But the first 6 months it dumped, and there should be a nice pump coming. I don't know which day or what, but wherever this bottoms out, if 42 is the bottom where it just bounced off of, and if that's the bottom and it comes back up and it's top layer cake, or if it comes down further and tests down here to 37, 38,000 area and then comes back up, I am expecting a nice big bounce as it's done for 6 months of the 2021. Big dump, big bounce coming back. But keep in mind, this next big bounce is probably just the dead cat bounce of a dead cat bounce, right? So just make this video quick. My plan is still the same. It's never changed, although you may listen to me say different things and talk about different stuff. I'm still planning on this is my buy box, wherever this is at. I'm going to throw in a little nibble box up here, 30,000, 28,000, 29,000. But I'm still looking to buy. You may be under the impression that bear markets are bad. Bear markets are actually where you make your money. I'm still looking to buy down here, 20,000, perhaps sub 20,000, maybe 23,000. I'll start nibbling 28, 29, and I'll start maybe buying more and more and more. And if it gets way down here, then I'll really get involved. Unless the story changes, unless something really seriously goes wrong with Bitcoin. Got to watch out for the regulation and that kind of stuff. But that's my long-term plan. Short term, what am I looking for? I'm looking for maybe big, deep crevices, right? Big, giant crevices on the way down. I'm kind of kicking that idea around. But this is basically exactly what I was talking about, what I was trying to warn people. If you're really new to this area, this industry, this is what I was warning about. It does appear to have bounced off of about 42,300, and it's on its way back up. I don't know. Just to repeat real quick what I was talked about earlier. Whether it does come down, that 42,000 is the bottom of that support, and so far it's holding. Whether it bounces here and comes up, or it comes down here and busts through it and then comes back up through, I don't know. Maybe it comes up here and then it comes back down for retest and we break down through it later next month or something. I'm looking for the top layer, bottom layer cake, right? 44,700 to 42,000. There's this gap in here. This major resistance, major support. The story has not changed. It's obvious. And I'm just looking to see if it's going to hold on. That was basically the third test in the last 2 weeks. It's tested 42,000, 43,000 area 3 times. This last time, there's a big, thick red bar supported by volume. And the more times it tests, the more likely it would be. So that's just what I'm waiting for, right? What I'm waiting for is when is it going to flip this support into resistance, or can Bitcoin hang on for another while and come up here? In my last video, I believe it was my last video, I was talking about whether Bitcoin pumped or dumped from here. I still expected the next local top to be up in this area, and there it is. It's a little shorter than I thought it might be, and it's coming down. So I would expect the next bounce to probably not be above 49,000. That's just a speculation, just a guess. Maybe it can come up a little higher. Maybe it'll test 50,000 again. But there it is, right? It's getting interesting. It's getting interesting. Big deep crevices. Watch for big deep crevices. If you're a trader, you might really like this. I'm just waiting. I really this Elon dump here really sapped my energy and my wallet. So part of the reason why I'm waiting is because I don't have a whole lot of money to invest right now. And if I did, I probably wouldn't. I would stay away from Bitcoin at the moment. And I'm just waiting, and I'll be sitting down here waiting for the bear market. Bear market's where you make your money. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I'm gonna probably be talking about Ethereum, Chainlink, Neo. I'll probably be investing in those more so than Bitcoin, just because they have more room to run. But I'm waiting. Bitcoin is what floats and sinks the entire crypto market for the most part. There are some exceptions, but anyways, it's getting interesting. Getting real interesting. Another hardcore smash. The first two, September 7th, September 13th, they're just kind of tippy toe wicks. This one was a big green or a big red candle that just basically smashed right off of it for the time being. So we'll see. This is what I'm keeping my eye on. Keep your eye on this today. But does this look familiar? Right? You see any familiarities over the last 9 months? Anywhere in here somewhere? Anywhere? As always, thanks for watching.